Hello everyone! In today's video, we will guide you through TubeBuddy tags. So watch the video until the end as we will describe how to find the best tags for your video. Let's dive right in. First, begin by adding the TubeBuddy extension to Chrome. Open the Chrome web browser and visit TubeBuddy.com. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, you will find the Install Free Now option. Alternatively, hover over the AI Tools drop-down at the top, then click on Download Extension Free. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the TubeBuddy extension. Next, click on Add Extension. This will install the TubeBuddy extension to your Chrome. Once you've installed the TubeBuddy extension, go to your YouTube Studio. Then click on the Content option from the left sidebar. Here you will find all the videos you've uploaded. So hover over the video and click on the Edit icon. Now scroll down to the Tag section. Here you will find the Keyword Explore button. Click on this option. Now here in the search box, enter the desired keyword you want to use for your video, or you can add your video topic here. Enter the topic and click on the Explore button. TubeBuddy will show you the best keywords that you can use for your video optimization. Alternatively, if you've written a well-described description, TubeBuddy will automatically suggest the low competition tags. But if you're using the basic version of TubeBuddy, this will show only 3 keywords. So if you want to explore more tags, you will need to subscribe to the Pro plan. And there you have it! If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.